My name's Geordie Elliott and I'm here with MaxCare Lamb and Kid Milk Powder to start a series of videos about the LKF1200 from DeLaval and similar machines. So you can have a bit more of an understanding of how to use these machines. Are these machines right for you? What is involved in managing, running and cleaning the machines and keeping them in operational order. In future videos we will go into more depth on the technical parts of it, how to set the machine up, how to clean the machine, how to complete error codes, and best results and tips on setting those up, and teat feeders and everything else that goes with the machine. The LKF1200 is a remarkable machine when it comes to hand rearing lambs. It changes the amount of hours and man hours that are needed to dedicated to rearing lambs from a bottle fed system to an automated system. It brings that down significantly once the lambs are on board and running on the machine. That's the big part with these machines is getting the lambs sorted. Once they're sorted and set up, the machine takes over 90% of the work that you would have before been involved with. This machine here, it has the large hopper on top that holds our milk powder. We have a mixer bowl inside here where the powder is allocated with pre-made hot water that the machine makes inside. In the bottom of our mixer bowl we have our blending blade. This blending blade is what blends that milk powder and that water together at a consistent rate and at the right temperature every time. From that point there, it is then allocated down these hoses. When these are long hoses, it's allocated down the hoses to the feeding station where the animals can feed at lib at any point in their time and day. The LKF1200 comes in both three-phase and single-phase power. The single-phase is a 15 amp outlet and the three-phase is a standard three-phase outlet. Today we're running with a single-phase 15 amp outlet. This is a typical system that we'll find anywhere here in Australia. These machines will run in excess of 250 lambs. Keeping up to the powder, we top our powder bowls up as we need to, which is sometimes 2 to 3 times a day. For smaller loads it might be every second day, depending on how many lambs we're feeding, and we can set it to about 1.2 to 1.5 litres according to how much we want to mix at a time. That's what we're going to do here. On our computer pad gives us all our details that we need here on our counter screen of how many portions we've made for the day. We can see our current boiler temperature, our water supply temperature, and we can also check with how many seconds and everything for our calibrations of products are at.